Physically inactive college students is the larger problem at hand. Statistics show that half of college students are physically inactive during their college years. There are many benefits to regular physical activity for college students, such as decreased stress, improved mood, better sleep, weight management, improved academic performance. For those of us who work with college students, we know that many students suffer from ailments such as high stress, anxiety, depression, lack of sleep, all of which regular physical activity can help. Many college students take a required personal fitness and wellness course during their collegiate years. This course provides a valuable opportunity for students to increase their physical activity behavior and improve their motivation to continue with physical activity post-course. Research has shown that the habits that students form during their college years will set a foundation for the habits they continue with after college. So my current project goal is to determine the influence of the course. The treatment is to understand course influence on the students' physical activity, behavior, and motivation. So after we determine the influence of the course, we'll analyze the results to better understand what specific aspects of the course are most effective at improving physical activity, motivation, and behavior among the students. So for people who never taught a physical activity behavior class or are not part of higher education, this analyzing results will specifically analyze through pre and post course surveys specific aspects of the course, such as time spent learning in the classroom, learning about physical activity, actual participation in physical activity, time spent reflecting and journaling about physical activity habits and participation, and also the act of keeping daily physical activity logs. So what are those influences on the students' actual behavior and motivation to participate in physical activity? So after analyzing the results, one or two things will happen. Either yes, we'll realize the course is effective and the course is helping to create physically active college students, yay. Or we'll realize that no, the course is not effective and really needs modifications to improve that physical activity, behavior, motivation. And at that point, we'll go back, make the modifications, go back, determine the influence of the course again, analyze results, and then hopefully at that point, yes, the course is effective and the students are physically active. Thank you.